So up there is where the leak is. The water was coming down and catching in all the rubbish in the drain, like this. And then it'd sheet across the road. About 10 minutes of me just with my hands and a stick. It was coming out here. Across the road, look at that now. Down the drain. And now it's the storm water where it should be going. So this is what happens. A bit of plant gets in there, leaves fill it up, puddles up, and then it just goes across the road.